Toxic people don't fear your anger, and they fear your silence, because silence is unpredictable. It doesn't give them control. You don't have to fight toxic people to win. You just have to become unreadable. Here are 7 silent behaviors that make toxic people fear you, even when you say nothing. 1. You observe everything, but react to nothing. They want you loud, emotional, and reactive. But when you stay calm, they lose their script. Your silence forces them to face their own guilt, and that quiet discomfort, that's their punishment. 2. You don't argue, you withdraw your energy. You know that arguing with a toxic person only fuels their ego. So instead of explaining, you simply detach. They start to panic when they realize you're no longer emotionally available. You win not by proving them wrong, but by refusing to play. 3. You choose distance over drama. Toxic people thrive where chaos lives. But distance confuses them. They can't manipulate what's out of reach. You become powerful the moment you stop giving them access. 4. You stay kind, even when they deserve coldness. They expect you to explode, but you stay composed. Your calmness exposes their instability. Kindness under control is power. It disarms their entire strategy. 5. You let karma handle the justice. You no longer chase revenge, you trust timing. Because toxic people eventually drown in their own manipulation. You simply watch in silence as life teaches them what words never could. 6. You value peace more than people pleasing. They can't stand it when you stop trying to please them. Because control only works when you crave their approval. The moment you choose peace over acceptance, they lose power completely. 7. You let them wonder what changed. You stop explaining yourself. You stop defending yourself. And that silence then drives them insane, because now you've become a mystery they can no longer control. Remember, toxic people don't fear being exposed, they fear being ignored. Silence doesn't just protect your peace, it destroys their illusion of power. Stay calm, stay private, stay unpredictable. And if this spoke to your soul, tap comment, your favorite line, and subscribe to my channel, where silence becomes strength and peace becomes your superpower.